this is our TXR 2480 X-ray machine, and I want to show you something about our main screen operation. This is the emergency switch. You know, it alarms. And this is the front button door lock. You know, when we open the door and the screen shows that the red alarms. Now we're going to start the machine, and we will use the test samples to put on the belt of the X-ray machine. You know, we can see the bones in the pork clothes. And we'll try it again. And then we will generate the report of the product. You know, we see that this is the report of the products just generated just now, and you see that the total quantity 12, the quantity number, qualified rate, unqualified number, and you can see very clear. And you will see the product management, you know, very concrete. So you will know, you can see it very clear. The start time and the end time. And this is the time schedule. You know, we will show you the test samples. You know, that you can see a bone in the package. You know, we can see the bone here. Okay.